Hi there, today I want to talk to you about the Valmy Gold Collagen Under Eye Mask. I love this mask because it helps the skin look vibrant, smoother, and plumper, especially underneath the eye areas. So what you'll do is you're going to make sure that your skin is nice and clean first. Then you're going to take the eye patches and you're going to open it and give it a nice tug to open it. And then you're going to take both of the sides and you're going to put the larger side to the outside. And I just love how this kind of molds to my face. So I just know that the ingredients are getting in there and it's working. So once you have them on, you're gonna leave them on for about 20 to 30 minutes. When you take them off, you're gonna let the excess residue from the pads just soak into your skin. You're not gonna wash it off. Then you'll follow up with your regular daytime moisturizer or nighttime. I love these because these are extremely versatile. You can use them at any time of the day. For maximize dramatic results, you wanna exfoliate your skin first, then you're gonna put these on, and that way you're ensuring that the ingredients are completely penetrating into the skin. So I hope you like these. Let me know how this works.